You know what's the best part about the week? The weekends. And the best part is that in the year 2019, we have 12 long weekends. Hi guys, I'm Kamya Ajani, the Chief Travelling Officer at Curly Tales, which means कहाँ जाना है, कैसे घूमना है, किस तरह से घूमना है, इन सब सवालों के जवाब है मेरे पास. And today I'm going to tell you how to make the most of the 12 long weekends coming up in 2019. अब ट्रैवलिंग का सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है प्लानिंग, विच मीन्स अगर आप एडवांस में बुकिंग करते हैं तो आपको फ्लाइट टिकट सस्ती मिलती है. यू ऑल्सो गेट चीपर अकोमोडेशन एंड ऑफ कोर्स बॉस से छुट्टी लेने में भी आसानी होती है. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर ट्रैवल बडीज. अरे उन्हें भी तो छुट्टी के लिए अप्लाई करना है. वेल, द फर्स्ट हॉलीडे इन द फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ 2019 इज ऑन अ मंडे, Jan 14th, Makar Sankranti, and for this you must go for the Ranotsav. It's a carnival of music, dance and festivities in the midst of the White Run of Kutch. ये फेस्टिवल February 20th, 2019 तक ही होगा और ये साल में सिर्फ एक बार ही होता है. A definite must do. Or you can also go to Gujarat for the International Kite Festival, Bikaner in Rajasthan for the Bikaner Camel Fair. If you prefer a literary experience, then the Jaipur Literature Festival is your mecca. Or you can also go for a skiing trip to Auli in Uttarakhand. Sorry guys, there's no chutti in February, but there are two in store in the month of March. The first one being Mahashivratri on March 4th, which is again on a Monday. Good news is that these dates coincide with the Goa Carnival from March 2nd to March 5th. So pack your sunscreen and swimming gear. You can also consider a safari as March is a good time to spot animals. Choose any national park in Madhya Pradesh, be it Pench, Bandhavgarh or Kanha. Well, thanks to Holi, we have one more long weekend in the month of March. Well, not exactly a long weekend because Holi is on Thursday, but you can always call in sick on Friday and enjoy a 4-day long weekend. You can go and experience the Latmar Holi in Mathura. It happens at two villages, Barsana and Nandgaon, on March 21st. Now in this tradition, women hit men with bamboo sticks when they charge at the women with colors. Well, yes, ऐसा एक tradition है and you must go to Mathura to experience it. You can also consider going to Ranthambore for wildlife spotting, Sikkim for peaceful getaway or Hampi for its ruins and landscapes. Well, April is the month where you must indulge. Plan that international trip which you've been waiting for because here's a long weekend coming up. My suggestion, Bali. Well, in this particular week, you have 2 days off, which is a Wednesday and a Friday. But if you club 2 weekends together and take 3 days off at work, you get a 9-day long weekend. And you can spend all that time on the pristine blue seas of Bali or explore the rest of Indonesia. Well, this holiday in the month of May is a bit restricted. कुछ offices शायद छुट्टी देंगे और कुछ नहीं. But if you're lucky, you will get a chutti on May 9th for Guru Rabindranath Jayanti, which comes on a Thursday. But if you take a day off on Friday, you can make your way to Jannat, which is Kashmir. It's the best time to visit Srinagar as the weather is perfect. In fact, Tulip Garden is also open at that time of the year and you can visit all the attractions. Well, don't have any high hopes from June or July. There are no long weekends, but to make up for that, there's a really long weekend coming up in the month of August from 10th to 18th. And it's time to plan a trip to Europe. Well, have you always been delaying that international trip? The long weekends of August is perfect to visit the Eastern Europe. And the best part is that it's cheap. I went there just a year ago and it's among one of my top set of recommended destinations. In fact, you can also consider Amalfi Coast in Italy, Vietnam for limestone islands and rainforest, Turkey for the hot air balloon ride, Uttarakhand for the Valley of Flowers. And if you want to travel in India, go for the snake boat race in Kerala. It's absolutely breathtaking and the monsoons is the best time to visit the southern part of India. I like September. We have 2 long weekends in this month. The first one being Ganesh Chaturthi on Monday, September 2nd. In Maharashtra, you can either visit Ganpati Pule or Tarkali and enjoy some nice beach time or stargazing. You can also visit Daman and Diu for water skiing and camel riding. The second weekend comes in for Muharram and Onam, which is on September 10th and 11th, Tuesday and Wednesday. Take a day off on Monday and you can bury yourself in the history of Hampi as you have a 5-day long weekend. People from all over the country visit Hampi for its beautiful monuments and history. You can either go for a coracle ride or visit the Hippie Islands. Thanks to Dussehra and Durga Puja, we have a long weekend in October. Well, not exactly a long weekend again, but it comes on a Tuesday. Take a day off on Monday and you can go straight to the heart of all the festivities, Kolkata. Experience culture, beauty and the most amazing food as you celebrate Durga Puja. Go pandal hopping with friends and family or head to Nizam's restaurant which sells over 30 kinds of kebab kathi rolls. Well, time now to talk about the last 2 months of 2019, November and December. In November, there's a chutti on Guru Nanak Jayanti, but that again comes on a Tuesday, November 12th. Sorry, but you would have to take a day off on Monday again to head to Rajasthan, which is one of my favorite places. All hopes from December rely on Christmas, but unfortunately in 2019, Christmas comes on a Wednesday, which means no long weekends. But remember that some of these holidays may not be applicable all across the country, so do cross-check before planning your holiday. Now, if you excuse me, I have to go book my tickets and explore the world. Hey, but remember to subscribe to Curly Tales and share this long weekend calendar with all your friends. Until then, keep traveling.